you're going to get hacked. With so much of our work and lives existing online, it's become inevitable that you'll experience a data breach, or more than one, sooner or later. But don't panic. Here are 3 things you should do if you think your personal computer has been hacked. Before we get into the tips, these processes apply to personal computers only. If business computers are hacked, it's best to leave the cleanup and restoration to the professionals. Check out languagetech.tx.com/blog for more information about small business IT solutions. Now let's get into it. As soon as you think you've been hacked, use an uncompromised device, like another computer, phone, or tablet, to change all of your passwords. That means social media, email, banking, and any accounts you accessed on your compromised device. Next, download and run 3 different antivirus software on your compromised machine. Using multiple scanners will ensure that you're picking up on any infections that may have been missed by the first scan. Start with one software. We recommend Malwarebytes free as a good free option, but you can check out our best free antivirus roundup for other recommendations. Run a scan on your device and remove anything that comes up. Then, restart your computer. Repeat this scan, clean, restart process until your computer is consistently scanning clean. Then, repeat the process with the second and third antivirus software until every scan has come up clean. Then check on your applications. Go to your inbox and check for new settings, rules, or sent messages. Update any changes, especially rules forwarding your messages to another inbox, and let your contacts know not to open any potentially infected messages sent from your account. Check your network folders and cloud drives, like OneDrive or MyDrive, to make sure your files haven't been infected or removed. Getting hacked happens, but the best defense is knowing the signs and what to do when it happens to you. Keep an eye out for these telltale signs that your computer has been infected. Performance issues. Even a small amount of malware can significantly slow down or freeze your computer while running in the background. Slow PC performance and frequent crashes are big red flags that you may have picked up a virus. Unexplained behavior. Toolbars, plugins, or documents appearing on your machine is another telltale sign that your computer has been compromised. Spyware can be installed in multiple places on your machine with a single wrong click, so keep an eye out for new additions or changes to your homepage settings. Spam. A lot of malware comes from email spam, so it's no surprise that a hacker would use your machine to infect others. They'll do this by taking over your inbox to send infected links, attachments, and spam others from your account. Keep an eye on your outbox and deleted folders for any suspicious emails you don't remember sending. Thanks for watching. Drop us a like, subscribe, and share this video to save someone else if they think they've been hacked. If you like our videos, you can ring the bell to be notified of all our latest uploads.